What I catch you doing?
I'm rolling my back. I'm glad you're here. Today's farm tour day, and I'm excited. Come on over here. I want to show you a few things. There were some questions on the pictures in my book. Please come here and let's take a look at them. Okay, so I got poor Johnny Collared Folk was convicted of stealing a hedge clipper. He was sentenced 24 years in prison, initially receiving a life sentence. Okay, so here's Jamie Dimon. His company nearly steals $1 billion and manipulates $1 billion worth of gold and silver prices, and he gets a $31 million bonus. Here's a picture of Jamie Dimon at the World Economic Forum. Not one black person was invited to this rich white man's economic planning affair. Next picture. All right, here's Obama receiving the Nobel Peace Prize, which is fake gold, by the way. That is not gold. Anyway, in 2016, he dropped 26,000 bombs. Over here, are you smarter than a fifth grader? Which one of these three pictures is money? Of course, it's gold. All right, let's keep moving along here. The War Pigs, that's the United States national anthem. I talk about that. Here's a quote from Henry Zionist Kissinger. Military men are dumb, stupid animals to be used as pawns for foreign policy. Yes, these are your leaders leading you into a grave. Here's where Adolf Hitler served. This is where white folk, evil, brilliant scientists and actors serve. This is Landsberg Prison. Okay, this guy's known as the devil's chemist. He, the old saying was, our German Nazi scientists are better than your German scientists. Anyway, this looks like a pretty nice pad. Anyway, Hitler was here in 1926. He celebrated his 35th birthday in April 20th, 1924. And he was upset because he was only limited to 41 guests and his cake was not topped with ice cream. Yes, he had it tough. Here's a picture of Adolf Hitler, the actor, looking out the window at Landsberg Prison. Pretty nice suit. Here's a picture of a poor Jew. Yeah, a little different conditions in his prison. Yeah, I know. All right, so what else we have here? Oh, made up white folk Jesus. Jesus was from Palestine. Wouldn't he kind of look like this dude? I don't know. Anyway, it's farm tour. Let's go get my dog Trout. I'll meet you at the farm and we're gonna have a great day. Let's go see the goats and the lambs and the ducks. I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm back with Trout. Trout is an American foxhound. He doesn't like to be called American. He's a foxhound. I'm sorry, Trout. Anyway, let's continue. It's Kindness Week again, continuing. If you haven't watched my other video, we're bringing back Kindness Week. Trout, you're a foxhound, not an American foxhound. Sorry. Okay. So, this is the gate. Oh, in the background, you may notice haze. We're in Northern California. The date's like April 10th, August 10th, 2021. And so anyway, let's go inside. Trout's really excited. Aren't you, Trout? Come on in. I'm going to close the gate behind you. Okay. It's okay, Trout. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay, guys. So there's the lamb. You can go closer and take a look at them, and I'll just talk in the background. So there's the lamb and lambs, and our ducks are to the left. They're really friendly, going swimming. Yes, but it's cooler than normal, I think, because it's so cloudy, so we're not getting as much sun in Northern California. And it's very smoky because the wildfires are all around us. Hello, don't be scared. We're your friends. Trout, that's naughty. So, anyway, we can go over here. Let's go this way. So here we have some orange cherry tomatoes and some other organic tomatoes coming along. Beautiful marijuana plants, which marijuana is legal in California to grow. And these awesome sunflowers, how tall they are. I mean, heck, I'm 5'10". Trout, that's naughty. You don't act like that. You know that. That's naughty. They're your friends. Okay, and we have some eggplants here, and we have sun protection on top. Same with the peppers. They're getting a little bit too much sun, so we're protecting them on that side. Over here we have our cucumbers, which we're going to give a little extra water to it. And over here we have the strawberries. So
that's candela.
Oh, candela here, okay.
That's holy basil and chamomile.
Oh, it just smells like a slice of heaven. I mean,
that's
no
medicine.
longer...
We're looking at medicine.
Yes.
We're looking at medicine.
That's right. Why don't you talk more about the plants?
Artichoke.
The artichokes. Okay. And that one's nearly ready for picking, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And we have some watermelon growing over here. They're not ready yet, but they're coming along.
Is this potato?
Oh, over there, look at the pumpkins are really coming along. And squash, you can see. Great. Now those are potatoes over there. Some asparagus, which was planted a year or two ago. Some rhubarb, and then blackberries, which I picked quite a few of them yesterday. Kind of surround the perimeter of where we're staying at. But
here's the well.
Yeah, there's the well there. On the other side of the fence line, this way, is the Trinity River. So, yeah, the Trinity River. And, yeah, just a beautiful, special place that this young lady owns and has trusted us to take care of. So that's, I don't know, unless you want to get a view looking up, that might be kind of nice. Come on, Doc. Oh, Trout says he's 6 years old. Trout was born in Missouri. My hound dogs are rescues. Cuddy is the hound dog. He's my blue tick hound dog. He's on the back cover of my book.
So you can't see the Trinity Alps very well.
No, you can't.
Hardly at all, just
Yeah, if
barely.
you come here, honey, and look from this angle, you know, it's really hard to stay out here and talk for a long time with the smoke. I mean, so they have poor air quality, and we've been on generators now, I think, for 7 days. So it's costing people about $25 a day, $600 and some dollars a month in just gasoline to run the generators to power. If you're fortunate enough to have a generator, many people don't. So, but we do, and we're fortunate to have it. Anyway, yesterday we picked the garden and brought it up to the local food pantry, and that was really nice. Anyway, yeah, I mean, we're bringing food up, collecting it that would go to waste. 40% of the food in the United States goes to waste. It's really a shame. We have all this technology. Is one of my heroes, Buckminster Fuller, said, we're acquiring technology for all the wrong reasons. Anyway, he was a scientist and an economist. It's very well underappreciated, not well known. Anyway, so that's it for the farm tour today. Signing off from Northern California. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. I appreciate everything, the kind words. I'm going to be getting the comments on soon if YouTube will allow me to. Thank you and good day.